guys! In today's video we will explore the fascinating and fun world of animal sounds. Get ready to hear some of the most incredible noises you've ever heard and learn surprising facts about our friends from the animal kingdom. Did you know that a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away? And that the dog has 42 teeth in its mouth? So, turn up the volume, get comfortable and come with us on this sound adventure that will leave you jaw-dropped and full of new stories to tell. Let's go! Let's start with the dog. See the sound the dog makes. The dog loves to play with its owner. Now let's take a look at some cats. See the sound the cat makes. Look how nice it is. Did you know that a cat can have up to 9 kittens at the same time? That's amazing, isn't it? Cats also love to spend time playing. They are very cool. Did you know that our adorable cats, the cutest pets on the internet, became friends with humans 9,000 years ago? It all started about 9,000 years ago, in ancient Egypt, when humans realized that these cute kittens were great at hunting mice and protecting their precious grain stores. Cats, being smart, saw a good opportunity to get easy food and a warm place to sleep. They began to catch rats from human homes, and thus, little by little, they began to approach humans, gaining space in homes and, of course, in people's hearts. People started to like cats, because in addition to cats catching mice, cats were also very cute and playful. Over time, cats spread everywhere, always carrying with them that air of mystery and independence. They continued to hunt mice, purr and entertain us with their antics and games. Nowadays, many people have cats in their home. They love affection and know exactly how to make their owner happy. After all, who can resist a kitten asking for attention with those bright, fluffy eyes? In the next video we will talk about other really cool and fun animals too. Keep an eye on our channel here. The Animal Channel. Goodbye.